Today we discuss about the concept of matrices. It is the third topic of your syllabus. Okay, that is first is the invention of matrices. Okay, first inventor of matrix is generally James Sylvester in the 19th century. Okay, afterwards Arthur Cayley has developed the concept of algebraic concept aspects of matrices in the year 1850. Okay, let us discuss one by one. Good morning everyone. Okay, let's start with the topic of matrices. Okay, matrix is a singular form of matrices. Okay, the definition of matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers, either are real numbers or complex numbers or generally functions. Okay, it is called generally matrix. Matrix is generally denoted by capital letters. For example, A is a matrix of rectangular array of numbers 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then it is B is a matrix of cos x, sin x, then it is etc. The example for matrix generally. Then here it is in the matrix examples. In example of matrices, here it is a horizontal lines are called generally rows. Here is are called generally rows. Here it is two rows, but the first one is row 1 and second one is row 2. And similarly in an example in the matrix A, generally there are two vertical lines are there. They are generally denoted by columns. They are denoted by columns. That is column number 1 and then column number 2. Okay, then these are called generally arrangement of matrix in the row wise and column wise. These are called generally matrix. In next part here it is order of a matrix. Order of a matrix tells that a matrix having m rows and n columns is called generally a matrix of order m cross n, or it is generally read as m by n matrix. Start. Good morning everyone. Okay, next the concept of matrix. In the concept of matrix, there are the next topic here. There is types of matrices. The first type is row matrix. Means a matrix having only one row. There are n number of columns is called generally row matrix. Generally, example for row matrix, a matrix having elements 2, 3, 4 means this having only one row. The order of this matrix will be one row and there are three columns means 1 cross 3. The order of this matrix here is 1 cross 3 because of only one horizontal line here, but vertical line here, 3 vertical lines. Therefore, order of this matrix will be 1 cross 3. In general, row matrix of order generally 1 cross n. Next here is column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called generally column matrix. For example, B is any matrix of order of elements -5, 7. Okay, this is order of this matrix will be there are 2 horizontal lines and only one vertical line. Here it is 1 vertical line, 2 horizontal lines. The order of this matrix will be 2 cross 1. In generally, column matrix of order m will be m cross 1. Next is square matrix. A matrix having same number of rows and columns is called square matrix. In generally, square matrix of order n, we have to say that. For example, C is a matrix of order matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 means here it is 2 rows and 2 columns. Rows means there are vertical lines, columns means vertical lines, rows means horizontal lines. There are 2 rows and 2 columns. That why this order of this matrix will be 2 cross 2. In generally, it is a square matrix of order 2. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be scalar if its diagonal elements are equal. Other than 0. Okay, that is, for example, Q is any matrix of order 2 cross 2, -1, 0, 0, -1. Here it is principal diagonal elements should be same. Here it is -1 and -1 principal diagonal. Others are 0. It is of order n 2 cross 2. This must be a square matrix. Scalar matrix must be a square matrix. Another example, R is a matrix of order 3 cross 3 because of R having 3 rows and 3 columns. Principal diagonal should be the elements are 2, others kept 0 here. Next type of matrix here is identity matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be identity if its diagonal elements are equal to 1 and it is denoted by capital I. Identity matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be identity matrix if its diagonal elements are equal to 1 and it is denoted by capital I. I is a matrix, for example, I is a matrix 1, 0, 0, 1, then it is identity means principal diagonal must be equal to 1. Others are 0 as in diagonal matrix. Next here is 3 cross 3. It is of order 2 cross 2 because of 2 rows and 2 columns. For 3 cross 3 matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is an identity matrix of order 3 or 3 cross 3. Last type of types of matrix is zero matrix. A matrix is said to be zero matrix if its elements are 0. It is denoted by generally 0. Here it is order is not mentioned for zero matrix. For example, 0 is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. It is elements having 0 0 0 0. Here it is a matrix of order 0 0. Here it is the order of this matrix will be. Here it is 2 cross 2. Here is this matrix is one horizontal line and 2 vertical lines, means 1 cross 2 is the matrix of order 0 matrix. Next concept here, equality of matrices. If two matrices are said to be equal, if their corresponding order should be same, order of two matrices are same, and the corresponding elements are generally equal. If A is any matrix, this is a matrix of order, this is 2 cross 1, and B is a matrix of order 2 cross 1. These two orders should be same and corresponding elements must be same. That's why these two matrices are said to be equal now. Next, general form of a matrix. Okay, matrix of order M cross N, that is a matrix having M rows and N columns, is given by generally A is a matrix of Aij, where I indicates rows, J indicates columns. Hence, Aij of a matrix of order M cross N will be general matrix A11, A12, A13, so on up to A1n. Again, A21, A22, A23, so on up to A2n. So on similarly, so on up to AM1, AM2, AM3, so on up to AMn. Generally, this matrix of order, this is M cross N, where here it is I indicates rows, that is rows starts from 1 to M, and J indicates number of columns, that indicates 1 to N. For every I and J are belongs to natural number. Here it is, remember here it is the total number of elements in M cross N will be Mn.